Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So Karma is wanting to join us today, and I'm taking a break. As most of y'all know, we're moving my son, but I wanted to pop in here, do this quick video that I was supposed to share with you yesterday, and when I sat down, Karma hopped up on the desk. So as y'all can see, she is no itty bitty baby anymore. Motor's still going like crazy. It's never stopped since the moment she's come into our life. Anywho, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of my future videos. Thumbs up, likes, always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So I don't know how much she's going to cooperate with me sharing this kit. She's been kind of being nosy and, yeah. No, we're not going to go explore over there. You can see she's got a big, beautiful tail. Do you see how she buries her nose right here? And she has done that since she was itty-bitty. She'll just, like, when she wants to cuddle, like, she'll hop in the bed, come up to me, and she buries her nose right here. It's hilarious. Look at that. Goofy girl. So anyway, y'all are here for the Hedgehog Hollow kit. Now, like I said, this kit I don't think is, I guess, as full of bang for the buck as some of the other ones I've picked up. This is only I think it's my third one. And again, I've mentioned I want to go back and like postpone it because I don't like them every month. Some months are really great and others just aren't my cup of tea. Now this one is pretty. This one is themed more for Hanukkah. So if you celebrate Hanukkah, you might really like this kit. And I believe it is still available. You can order it up until the 14th of the month. And then after the 14th, the subscription moves on to December's kit, if that makes sense. So to the 14th, you can order the current month's kit. After the 14th, you won't receive it till the next one ships. So I'm going to put that back over there, sweetie. Anywho, we're just going to set this to the side. She always includes some piece of candy, and this one is blueberry. So that's going to go in my little dum-dum jar. And then it includes, I think this is called Hedgie. And this is basically Alex's mascot, hence Hedgehog Hollow. Super cute. So that's going to go on my little pin hoop. And this is the information card. And this is kind of like a surprise every year. You can chop it down if you want and use it as like card elements. But so this will only come in the boxes if you're a subscriber. Otherwise, you won't get this one. So there's that. This here is a company called SW Craft Connection. And it's called Wood You Bend Product Samples. That's all I know. Wood You Bend Moldings, first of its kind. A wood product with flexibility for all your projects with one of the largest. I don't know anything about this. It kind of looks like a teacup handle. And then it's got a little rose. So I don't know how I'm going to use that, but okay. So there's that. Here we go. So there's a card. Heat your wood you bend depending on the size and thickness of the mold. This could take a couple of seconds to nearly a minute. So I guess I heat this up and I can apply it. I guess that's how it works. You will need specific wood glue, any brand will do, a heat gun or griddle, your wood you bend molding, and kitchen roll in case things get messy. There's a coupon code for 15% off the first order. And I guess, so like they're showing here, like they're taking this molding, heating it up, and attaching it to a terracotta pot. So, okay. I know the one thing about Hedgehog Hollow, I believe they partner with different companies every month to kind of, I guess, expand your crafting horizon. And so this is something I've never heard of, but I might have to give this to my husband, because this might be something he can use in the crafts that, you know, in the stuff that he does in his little man cave. Are you getting down? You gonna tell everybody bye? Come here. All right. Down, down, down. Boink. Okay, so there's that. That's not part of the kit. Karma added it. It comes with a Hedgehog Hollow 12-sheet double-sided paper pack. And it's called the Blue Christmas. It's custom Blue Christmas. So let's open this up and take a peek. So it's really slick. It's like it's printed. It's not your normal cardstock, I would say. It's got a... It's different. I'm going to say that. So you got your, obviously it's blue themed. You got your blue on blue polka dot, some stripe, cute little snowmen, and some zigzag, some diagonal, and some snowflake. More blue on blue. Okay, so I guess we're repeating here now. Oh, we got a cute little plaid. You got snowman and snowman, so there's that. And then the back, some more polka dot, some more zigzag and polka dot, dark snowman, snowflakes and Christmas trees, stripes and more snowmen, snowflakes, trees, plaid, and snowflakes. So it's cute. It's not my, I would say it's not a cardstock that I would probably run out and buy. It is a heavy quality. It's just not my style. I guess that makes sense. So you get that in this month's kit. Then you get, we're going to pull this away. You get the 6x8 stamp set called Nativity. I will probably use the sentiments. I'll probably use the Nativity and the star. But to me, the animals, Mary, Joseph, baby Jesus, they're way too cute for me. They are not something that I would ever buy on my own. But I will use elements of it. So there's that. So if that is your creative style, I will say their stamps do stamp very nice. So I will, you know, I will use probably half of the set. So there's that one. Then it comes with, where's the card? I just had the card in my lap. Okay. Then it comes with, these are Slimline mini strips. Maker Forte Slimline mini strips. I don't know what you do with those. I assume they are for Slimline cards. So it's just, to me, it's regular weight white cardstock. I'll have to look and see. Maybe it has some special blending qualities. I don't know. So it comes with that. It comes with this 6x8 stamp set called Happy Hanukkah. I do have some friends that celebrate, so this will actually come in handy for me. From this day to the last, I'll be thinking of you. Hanukkah Samak. I don't know. I can't pronounce that. Maybe somebody else knows. Happy Hanukkah. Again, I don't know how to... Yeah, wishing you a Hanukkah full of beauty and light. So, and there's the dreidel, I believe the Star of David, the, any other time I could spit the name of this out. I can't think of what it's called now, and now I feel really dumb. It'll come to me after the video. Then you have your dove, and I believe that might be an olive branch, I guess. So, anywho, there's that stamp set. I really like this stamp set. So, there's that. And then there is this, it's a custom stencil. It's called the Slimline Stencil Set, and it says Believe. So I think you can see that from how I'm holding it, and I really like that. I think that would look really pretty on the side, or and part of maybe a scrapbook page. For Slimline, I'm gonna say that's a really big Slimline card. That's so there's that. That is this month's kit. So if you celebrate Hanukkah, this might be the kit that you'd like. We won't get to see the preview of December's kit, I think, until, I think between the 15th and 18th of this month is when she'll show the following month's kit. So we'll have to keep our eyes open for that. But, yeah, so that is the Hedgehog Hollow kit for November. And, so there's that. Oh, I will go ahead and share. I'm going to save that one. No, I'm going to save these for a different video. I went to Lowe's and I bought myself some tools. Y'all have heard me complain about tools disappearing, wanting pink. I didn't find any pink ones, but I found some tools, showed them to my husband. I said, these are mine, don't touch them. So, anywho, I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. I'm going to get this up and posted and get back to over to my son's place and help him with his place. And yeah, so y'all stay blessed. As always, crafty hugs. Love you to pieces. Bye-bye.